As someone who has spent countless hours and dollars on hairstyling tools, I bought and tested these blow dryer brushes so you don't have to waste your money. I know the struggle of achieving that perfect salon blowout at home. Let's dive into the top 5 blow dryer brushes that can elevate your hair game.
Product number 1, Umili 4-in-1 Hair Dryer Brush. When I first got my hands on the Umili upgraded 4-in-1 hair dryer brush, I was excited yet skeptical. After all, I've tried various tools that promised to simplify my routine but often fell short. However, this tool genuinely impressed me. With a powerful 1200-watt motor, I found that it dried my hair in record time, even on those busy mornings. The combination of ceramic and titanium materials creates a unique heating experience that distributes heat evenly, significantly reducing damage. I noticed my hair looked shinier and felt smoother after just a couple of uses. The oval-shaped barrel is not just for looks. It allows for 360-degree airflow, which means I could style my hair while drying it. The bristles are a game-changer too. They prevented tangles and helped add volume, turning my usually flat hair into a bouncy masterpiece. Now let's talk about the settings. With 3 different heat speed settings and a cool option, I had the flexibility to style my hair just how I liked it. Whether I wanted a sleek, straight look or soft waves, this tool delivered. However, I did read the user manual carefully to avoid any mishaps, as it's designed specifically for 110 to 120 volt outlets. The one downside? It's a corded model, which can be limiting if you're used to cordless tools. But honestly, the performance outweighs this minor inconvenience. If you're looking for a versatile tool that combines drying and styling without the salon price tag, the Umili blow dryer brush is a fantastic choice. With its ease of use and effective results, it's a must-have for anyone wanting to step up their hair game. Product number 2. The Launch Hair Le Volume 2-in-1 Titanium Blow Dryer Brush. From the moment I took it out of the box, I could tell this was going to be something special. Designed for salon-worthy results at home, this tool combines the power of a hair dryer with a styling brush. I opted for the 60mm version since my hair is shoulder length, and wow, the volume it created was nothing short of impressive. The negative ion technology really helped combat frizz, and I loved how shiny my hair looked after using it. Unlike other brushes I've tried, the combination of bristles on this brush grips the hair perfectly, giving me control over tension and style. The 3 heat and airflow settings are a fantastic touch. I often found myself switching to the cool setting to lock in my style. One of my favorite features is the ergonomic handle and 360-degree swivel cord, which made styling comfortable and hassle-free. However, while the price is reasonable for the quality, it's still higher than some budget options, which might deter some buyers. But if you're serious about your hair, I'd say invest in it. The Launch Hair Le Volume 2-in-1 is definitely worth considering for anyone who wants to achieve professional-looking results without the hefty salon price. Product number 3. Wavy Talk Thermal Brush. The Wavy Talk Thermal Brush caught my attention because of its stylish rose gold design and its promise to create voluminous styles. After trying it out, I can say it delivers on its promises. The heated round brush with a 1.5-inch tourmaline ceramic barrel heated up quickly, making styling a breeze. Within 30 seconds, I was able to start styling, which is a game changer for my hectic mornings. The brush's design allows for seamless curls and waves. I could easily create loose, beachy waves without the need for multiple tools. The 2 temperature settings are a thoughtful addition, catering to different hair types: 302 degrees Fahrenheit for fine hair and 356 degrees Fahrenheit for thicker locks. This versatility helped me avoid heat damage while still achieving the look I wanted. I also appreciated the detachable brush head, which made it travel-friendly. I could throw it in my bag without worrying about it taking too much space. On the downside, the corded feature might limit where you can use it, but honestly, the travel-friendly design and quick styling made up for it. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile tool that can create various styles while being easy to travel with, the Wavy Talk Thermal Brush is a fantastic option. Product number 4. Launch Hair Le Volume.
Returning to the Longe hair family, I tried out the 75mm version of the Le Volume blow dryer brush. This size is ideal for longer hair, and I was eager to see how it would perform. Just like its shorter counterpart, the 75mm brush heats up quickly and offers a fantastic blowout experience. The titanium barrel works wonders in reducing frizz and enhancing shine, and I must say I was thrilled with the results. I found that it could create both sleek and voluminous styles depending on how I used it. The upgraded Easy Twist handle is another thoughtful addition, making it easy to switch between the 3 heat and airflow settings. No more fumbling around trying to adjust settings mid-style. However, if you have very thick hair, you might need to take smaller sections for the best results. The only downside for me was the price point. It's a bit on the higher end, but when you consider the quality and the time you save on styling, it's worth every penny. The Longe Hair Le Volume 75mm is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their styling game at home. Product number 5, Osensia Professional Round Brush. I want to highlight the Osensia Professional Round Brush. Now, this isn't an electrical tool, but it deserves a mention for its performance. The ceramic barrel is fantastic at evenly distributing heat, which means quicker drying times and healthier hair. I used it alongside my blow dryer and was pleasantly surprised by how it transformed my styling routine. The ergonomic lightweight handle made it easy to maneuver, and I didn't experience any hand fatigue even after extended use. The nylon bristles infused with negative ions left my hair looking shiny and smooth. One of the best features is its seamless design. I never had to worry about my hair catching or snagging. While it's not an all-in-one styling tool like the others, it's an excellent addition for those who prefer traditional blow-drying techniques. Plus, at a price point of $19.99, it's budget-friendly. If you're in the market for a reliable round brush that enhances your blow-drying experience, the Osensia brush is a fantastic investment. In conclusion, whether you're looking for an all-in-one tool or a classic round brush, these blow dryer brushes offer something for everyone. Investing in one of these can save you time and effort while giving you beautiful salon-worthy hair at home. Happy styling!